With time, we realize that we need to make a greater endeavor in our spiritual life. We need more nourishment. We need more depth. The same kind of mechanical chanting that seemed to keep us going for years doesn't work anymore. Yes, that is the nature of Bhakti. It demands more and more. Therefore, just chant 16 rounds and follow for regulated principles is not exactly where it stops. Right? It requires a whole way of life. It requires a whole cultivation. It requires ample nourishment, inspiration, association, pilgrimages. It requires sacrifice in service. It requires many things, really, to be able to just fulfill, to just faithfully chant every day without fail, to faithfully keep the regulative principles without slips, without fall downs, without a little accidents. Right?